सर फिल्म आपको कितनी अच्छी लगी? फिल्म आपको कितनी अच्छी लगी?
क्या पिक्चर का रिव्यू?
हाँ।
पिक्चर अच्छा लगा और स्टोरी में थोड़ा ये मिस्टेक लगता है।
शाहिद और सैफ की जोड़ी कितनी अच्छी लगी?
सैफ का अच्छा काम है।
कंगना रनौत।
कंगना राउत ना, हाँ उसका भी एक्टिंग अच्छा
ओके,
है।
कितने स्टार देंगे आप 5 में से?
हाँ
5 में से कितने स्टार देंगे?
पिक्चर तो सक्सेस जाएगा ऐसा।
चलो।
ओके
बहुत दुख होता है जब
नाइस
नाइस पिक्चर।
3 स्टार आउट ऑफ 5.
How was the movie?
Hi. Yeah, movie was good. Movie is great, yeah, great. Must watch.
And how did you like the performance of Shahid and Saif? And
Shahid has done a brilliant job. शाहिद को इतना मतलब केमिस्ट्री जो थी कंगना के साथ बहुत ही अच्छी केमिस्ट्री थी और कंगना तो द बेस्ट इन द मूवी. इवन द ब्रिटिश एक्ट्रेस रिचर्ड मैकअवे एंड द डायरेक्शन बाय विशाल भारद्वाज और सरप्राइजिंगली जो सॉन्ग्स हैं उनके बहुत अच्छे सॉन्ग्स हैं.
so how much point would you like?
9 out of 10 यार.
9 out of 10.
Yeah.
कितनी अच्छी लगी सर फिल्म आपको?
सर पिक्चर तो एक्टिंग वाइज और सिनेमेटोग्राफी और बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन पिक्चर की स्टोरी में किसी को भी कुछ समझ आता नहीं है. विशाल भारद्वाज इस पिक्चर से क्या कहना चाहते हैं ये किसी को भी समझ आ नहीं रहा.
कितने स्टार देंगे 5 में से?
स्टार तो अभी इसको एक्टिंग वाइज तो 3 दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी की है सभी ने.
सर कितनी अच्छी लगी फिल्म आपको?
बहुत अच्छी थी मूवीज. लाइक एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी थी सीरियसली.
सैफ की और शाहिद की और कंगना की एक्टिंग,
तीनों की अमेजिंग एक्टिंग थी.
ये पीरियोडिक फिल्म एक तरह से कही जा सकती है. तो ये ड्रामा कितना अच्छा लगा और जूलिया जो कैरेक्टर था वो कितना अच्छा.
कैरेक्टर उसका अच्छा था बट लेकिन स्टोरी ठीक थी. मतलब अगर किसी को पीरियोडिकल मूवी पसंद है बट लेकिन एक्टिंग तीनों की बहुत किलिंग थी.
कितने स्टार देंगे 5 में से?
3.5 तो हैं 100%.
कैसी लगी फिल्म आप लोगों को?
थोड़ा को अच्छी लगी. बहुत अच्छी.
कितने स्टार देंगे आप?
4 दे रहा हूँ.
4 देंगे. और ये सैफ की और ये बॉन्डिंग कैसी लगी शाहिद के साथ?
ठीक थी. उनको ज़्यादा मतलब साथ में इतना शॉट्स नहीं थे
ओके.
बट दोनों ने बहुत अच्छी
एंड
एक्टिंग की.
कंगना?
वो भी बहुत अच्छी थी.
ओके. पीरियोडिक फिल्म थी, कन्विंस कर पाई आपको एज एन ऑडियंस?
हाँ उन्होंने सेटिंग वेटिंग बहुत अच्छा किया था. वेल रिसर्च था.
कितने स्टार देंगे 5 में से?
4 बोला.
अच्छी लगी आपको फिल्म?
थैंक यू.
the movie was really good. I mean, all of them acted really well. The story was brilliant, so I'd recommend the movie. I think everyone
Like
should
the
watch.
combination of Saif and Shahid because
Yeah, I mean, they didn't share a lot of screen space, but they all acted really well in their own space.
and what about कंगना Ranaut in that?
Sorry?
कंगना.
Oh, she was really good. She looked beautiful. She acted well. The story was good. Everything was
The
good.
film is based on a periodic drama.
Yeah, it's based on the struggle for freedom. So it's a pre-independence era. So it's a good movie. Like we're really young, so we don't really know what went on. So it's a good movie if you want to
How many
educate
stars would you
yourself.
like to give it? 5.
Yeah, thank you.
Rangoli periodic film, did the movie convince you?
Yeah, it was a really good movie.
And how did you like the combination of Saif and Shahid? Because both are
Shahid Kangana was better than Kangana and Saif. Like they had more chemistry.
Okay. And what about the story? Did it convince you?
Yes, it was quite convincing.
What did you learn? Anything you
It's
want?
that you respect your nation and you just don't like take it for granted.
Okay. How many stars would you like to give out of
4.5 on 5. That's it.
Okay.
I think it was fantastic and everyone acted really, really well. And I think that Vishal Bharadwaj is one of the best directors that I know in India working today.
And how did you like the combination of Saif and
It was, that combination. There is not a lot of interaction between the two characters, but you could see the tension in the story because they are against each other, obviously. So it was fantastic.
And how did you like the acting of कंगना Ranaut?
कंगना Ranaut was fantastic. You could see that two people are crazy behind her. You can see why they're crazy behind her because she's a fan. She's
It's
fantastic.
based on periodic drama. So
It's
did
a
it really
periodic
convince
drama.
you?
It convinced me. Yeah, it did. It convinced me because the scenery and everything that they used in the movie, they used the scenery of the northeast of India and the war and all that. It was amazing. Like the starting shot of this movie is so well made. It feels like I'm watching a Hollywood movie. It was like that good.
And what did you learn from this movie? Anything you want to share?
Any?
What did you learn from this movie? Anything?
What I learned from this movie was that don't fall in love with Kangana Ranaut. It's not good for anyone, not for Hrithik Roshan, not for these two.
It's Hanikarak.
Yeah, it's Hanikarak. And
Okay.
I think the best song was Ye Ishq Hai by Arijit Singh. It was
Lastly,
fantastic.
how many points would you like to give to this movie?
4 stars. I would give it 4 stars.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.
It's a periodic drama film. How did you like the movie? Did it really convince you?
Well, it definitely gave me goosebumps because so far I've just read about the INA. Seeing it in action is a different thing altogether. In the end, I got shivers down my back. It was very well done because the ending was touching and yet very fitting. They didn't make it too Bollywood.
Okay. There is also an unusual combination of Shahid and Sab. Did you really like the combination?
I think I liked it because of the backstory the actors have, so it made it a lot more interesting.
And what about Kangana Ranaut?
Kangana Ranaut, she's very convincing. Her role, she played it to the teeth. Very convincing.
And what did you learn from the movie?
Learn from the movie? Well, no, already knew about the INA, Subhash Chandra Bose. What I really liked was the INA anthem which played. I think it was played appropriately at the very right moments. So that was very
How
good.
many stars would you like?
4.5.
4.5.
Yeah, thank you.
How did you like this periodic drama Rangoon?
Periodic drama Rangoon was too good. First credits to Vishal Bhardwaj for the way he directed the film, placed the characters, and Shahid Kapoor was too good.
Did the story really convince you as an audience?
See, the first half was a bit slow in the starting, but the second half picks up and it's too good. Like, it convinced me at the end. Like, I'm definitely going in for the second show.
And how about the unusual combination of Sab and Shahid in the movie?
At the first, it was quite surprising, but like eventually they did a great work as a team.
And what about Kangana Ranaut?
Kangana Ranaut, she's the best.
Fabulous.
Yeah.
Okay. And anything you learned from this movie you want to share with us?
Nothing much, but being patriotic is what.
Patriotic.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many stars would you
4.5.
like? 2.5.
4.5. Yeah.
Okay. Really like.
Yeah.
And do you watch again this movie?
Definitely.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Backstage.